Now let us read the next activity. The aim of the activity is to show that oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis using the Hydrilla plant, that is an aquatic plant, and there is demonstration of the same. Now materials required for this experiment is beaker, funnel, test tube and Hydrilla plant and water. Now let us see the procedure. Take a beaker filled with water, fix the stem of Hydrilla into the hole of funnel. Now invert the funnel in beaker as it is shown in given figure. So we invert the funnel that is containing the Hydrilla plant and fill a test tube with water and invert it over the stem of funnel. And we can see in this figure that the test tube is filled with water and it is inverted over the stem of the funnel. So beaker is filled with water and place the setup in sunlight for about 4 hours. Now observation of this experiment is that gas bubbles are produced which move upward through the water into the test tube. So we can see that gas is given off by the plant and it accumulates here. This is the inverted test tube which was containing the Hydrilla plant and it is inverted. So in the presence of light, all this process was carried out. Now the conclusion of this experiment is that the gas which is produced, it is as a result of photosynthesis. It can be tested by inserting a glowing splinter into the test tube, because when combustion take place, oxygen is required for combustion. So if splinter is also placed into test tube, oxygen is formed as a product of photosynthesis when the plant is placed in light, and the splinter will also burst into flame. Now this shows that the test tube contains oxygen. So oxygen is formed as a byproduct of photosynthesis when the plant performs photosynthesis in the presence of light. So this experiment shows that oxygen is evolved as the product of photosynthesis when the plant performs this process in presence of light, and this shows that oxygen is evolved during the photosynthesis. I hope you understood this topic well. Thank you.